Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the machine and opening an elevated command prompt. This gives you the permissions Windows Update needs. Once done, verify you're on an administrator account and that the network is stable, because downloads can pause on flaky connections. Now, open Start, type CMD, right-click and choose Run as administrator. That launches the elevated console. Make sure no critical apps are running. You'll trigger services that may require a reboot later. You're ready to run update commands. You'll trigger detection, download, and install phases from the command prompt. This is faster than GUI clicks. First, run UseClient. Exe start scan to ask Windows to check for available updates, then run UseClient. Exe start download to pull packages and UseClient. Exe start install to apply them. If UseClient is not present, run wwacult/detectno and wwacult/updateno as a fallback. Make sure to watch the console and wait between steps. Large updates can take minutes to hours, depending on connection and disk speed. You finish by rebooting and then verifying update status. A restart finalizes many installs. Run shutdown/r/t0 to reboot immediately. Then after login, use wmic-qfe get hotfix ID installed on to confirm applied updates. If the process stalls or errors appear, stop the Windows Update service with netstop userv, delete the contents of C/Windows/software distribution. Then net start userv and repeat the scan. This clears corrupted caches and often resolves detection or download failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.